longer. Chocolate. Wait, this is better with milk. Wait, this is better with milk.
I want to try the coconut. Liam, go down, Liam. Go down.
So yummy. Hello everybody. Today we're going to set up the Christmas tree.
You excited for today?
Yes, and I'm super excited to get my ornaments. I think getting more space.
Okay, we're gonna put something there. Dazed.
Mine was to the back. Can we do seesaw?
Hurry up. Come on.
for? For you? And what's your name?
Karina. Q.
Q?
Yes. U. I. R. I. N. A.
Alright, so we're gonna come on over here to this side. Now we're gonna add a set. It's good for anything like strawberries or bubblegum or birthday cake. You guys can always open those up and try them. We have our little lighter parts, and those will go inside your friends. Every time you give them a big hug, maybe see their heart shine like that. We have our voice recorder, so you can record your own voices and put it into your friends, or even our little heartbeats. So every time you give your friend a hug, you can feel their heart. You want to feel it? Yeah, no problem. Alright, so just stepping for us today? Yes. Alrighty, so let's come on over here to this side.
Yeah.
Ariana, how do you want your new friend? Do you want them to be more soft and squishy, or a little bit more full and strong?
I want it to be fluffy.
Fluffy? Okay. So when you're ready, go ahead and take a big step on this pedal right over here. There you go. Just keep your foot all the way down, okay? Yeah, just like that.
What is it?
Alright, go to your top. Before they go inside, let's just keep warming them up. So give those hearts a little rub to get them nice and warm. And then you guys gotta wake them up, so you can give them a little pat. Perfect. Rub them on your hearts, so your friends are full of lots of love. Rub them on your head, so they're super smart. Rub them on your side, so your friends always stay by your side. On your knees, so they're always there when you need them. And now we're gonna put those hearts in our hands. We're gonna sprinkle a little magic on them. A little bit of magic. There you go. You're gonna put them on your nose. Close your eyes and make a very special wish for you and your new friend. And when we're ready, our first heart's gonna go right here. Next. And then our second heart is gonna go right here. Next. And then I'll get them all closed up. Really quick. Sometimes.
I thought you were going to use a needle and everything.
Sometimes they get stuck and we do have to get the needle and thread out.
Wow, look at me. Come on, smile. Look at mommy, Kirin, look at mommy. Smile, Kirina. Oh my God.
Mommy, can you picture me, please? Mommy, can you picture me?
You like that one? Yeah, good job. Okay. Is that one have a? How much is that? Okay, you too? Okay. No, that is $19.
Oh, I just took a picture with it.
Okay, here. 1, 2, smile. Okay, show. Yay! Okay, good. Olian, where are you?
Mommy, look, I found one.
Oh, wow. How much is it? Look. Oh, you found something there. You have a lot of train now. Bring it in, Liam. Liam, no.
Oh, one. A big one.
One. Where did he go? Where did he go, my boy?
Can you take a picture?
Okay. Look at me, Okay, gotcha. Just taking picture, guys. Is there any dinosaur? Oh, this is for the kids. Don't go far away. Come back here. Come back here, May. Liam. Oh my God. Get the card, baby. Get the card, baby. Please, thank you. Don't break it, okay? Yeah. Just wait for him for a while. More. Oh, wow. That's a lot. Got it.
I really wish I could have it. I did.
Liam, get out there. Liam.
This is beautiful.
You have rainbow, you have cotton candy, and you have rainbow.
Can I try yours?
Of course.
That's Grandpa hat. Give it back.
Say hi. Yeah.
Everyone look.
Just log in here.
Liam.
Hi. Beautiful girl. Dance ka nga rin. Dance. Liam, dance anak ko. Yes. give na. Okay, open daddy. This is the secret. She's always telling me not to lock, not to open. Wow, what is that?
Wow, happy holiday.
Did you put your picture in?
Ariana, she made a bell. Where's this part? 2025. I love you, mom and dad. She put a heart. What's the cross? Oh, what they made in school?
Wow.
Wow.
Look at your picture.
That's her picture.
Wow, that's nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What?
Liam, come here. Wow. Open, Liam. Open. Say thank you. Okay, give the other gift out. Somebody open the lid. Wow.
That one. To Liam. To Karina. That's Karina. Liam, this is yours.
Wow. Who get this one? Oh, that one. Sorry. That one is for the guests if we have guests. Wow. Oh, so good. You got a card. Wow. Okay. You ask daddy to open.
Okay, I got 2 letters inside.
Wow. That's from Tito Jerry.